Okay, you guys, today's project on the COOT, we're going to cut out these couple cancer spots. One there, one there, one over there. We're going to cut those out, weld in some patch pieces, and then we're going to cut out a plate to fit over the whole entire bottom, just double protection. So let's get you set up and we'll get those cut out. Okay, that's inside there where the drain plug was. Wow. Let's get that cut out of there and we'll get a patch in it. We got that patch welded in. That's where the drain hole goes. So I've got a hole larger than the hole inside so I can weld around that. Just got that pulled down tight so I can weld it nice and flush. So got that hole over there to do. And this corner here to do. And then we'll cut out a piece on the plasma table. Just got done cutting out this big 8-foot tall Sasquatch. That was kind of fun. But we'll cut out another square piece out of 14 gauge. That way we can beat it in and around and contour it and weld it around the whole seams, and that should be good. All right, we got the floor bent up. I think we're a little steep on the angles here and here, but we're down here at the old metal brake, getting that thing bent. We'll take it home and see how it fits, and hopefully we can start welding this floor back on the COOT. And that'll be one step further. It's late, it's Friday night. I've been busting my butt all day trying to get ready for a baby shower and haven't had a whole lot of time to do much with this today. We got this far, we got that piece welded in. I'm gonna cut and get that. Ooh, sorry, that was loud. Get that piece cut and welded in. And we got the floor bent up. We bent a little too steep of an angle here and here. These ones are gonna be okay, but I gotta just lay that out and get that smushed back flat, and that'll be our floor. I'm gonna start getting that welded in. That'd be great. And you can see we just gotta get everything to lay down in there nice and flat. So I'll mess with that probably tomorrow a little bit. Start getting that guy welded in. Get that piece welded on. A couple more patches, and we'll cut out a piece on here. We're gonna use some thinner stuff, probably some 14 gauge, so I can contour it and bend it and beat it into shape. We'll get this side done, and then hopefully we'll get this thing flipped back up and get some wheels on it, get those axles put back in. Anyway, I've been thinking about doing some giveaways on the channel, starting to drum up a little more interest. But I'm gonna start cutting out some CNC stuff, and I think once a month what I'm gonna do is select somebody from the comments and let you guys decide what you want me to cut out for you, or just give some stuff away randomly and get that in the mail to you. So let me know in the comments. Those of you that comment on this stuff are going to be in for getting something sent out to them. And give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe for sure, and have a good evening.